This afternoon, the entire crypto market started to pump like crazy, and I have some incredible information if you hold cryptocurrencies, but especially if you hold Shiba Inu, because there is something massive about to be unveiled. So make sure you watch this very video unto the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where I call out huge plays way before they happen. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and smash up the like button like you've never smashed it up before, because it really helps to support the channel and to get this information out there to others who need to hear it. If you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon right now, where you get access to new cryptos before they launch, constant day trade alerts and updates in the crypto market so you know what's happening at all times. You can even speak to me on the phone where we can go over your current portfolio. And I also have a class where you can learn technical analysis. It is a video course series where you can learn how to day trade cryptocurrencies and learn all of my secrets. The link for that will be milesginvestments.teachable.com. All of these links will be in my video description below. So go ahead and check out all of them. Follow all of my socials. And before we dive straight into the video, do not forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is create an account with my link below where you can buy and sell cryptos with, and just deposit 1 penny. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So today, several cryptocurrencies started pumping up this evening. Like, we have Ethereum up almost to $2,600. We have Bitcoin about $38,000. That is a very, very good sign to see. Most cryptocurrencies are starting to see significant amounts of green as the market is continuing to recover. And this is what we have been waiting for, because the market has been very scary. There's been a lot of fear, there's been a lot of panicking, and that is causing people to sell like crazy. But I said fear cannot last forever. Red cannot last forever. Make sure you check out my previous videos, especially my video yesterday where I talk about so much that you need to understand what's going on. So as we see, the whole market is starting to begin to recover, and we take a look at the charts are looking very, very bullish in the sense of this recovery area. If we zoom out, of course, we can see a very strong downtrend. But if we zoom into this small little area, all the way from the 21st of January, we have been seeing some recovery structure forming in the whole crypto market. So if you hold any cryptocurrencies, this information, this video is completely relevant to your crypto portfolio. So what we are starting to see is some bullish recovery signs. And in addition to that, right now we are approaching this level of resistance. And this is very, very important. As we are approaching this level of resistance, there is a very strong possibility that we are going to break this resistance level and continue to go up. And this means the whole crypto market is about to make a very, very big move here very, very soon. So things could actually get very green again here very soon. And as we have seen in the crypto market in the past, the crypto market recovers faster than when we least expect it, and bigger than we expect as well. So a lot of times when things look very bearish, when things look like they are over with, it is at those times when people are about to give up, when their fear is at a particular level, that's when the crypto market begins to turn around and change around really, really fast. Because the reason for that is when panic is at a particular level, which is a very high level right now, people are selling, and that causes prices to drop very, very low and very fast. And when prices drop really, really low and very fast, it brings opportunities for big whales and investors like ourselves to buy these dips. That's what we do in the Patreon. So when you buy these dips, you can make 20 or 30% gains in literally days. That's how fast these bounces recover. And even to move forward, make sure you continue to watch, because I have some incredible information. What's actually happening is, yes, we've been in a strong downtrend. And a lot of times, since we've been in this downtrend for months, every time we get a big crash, we kind of just consolidate and continue to go lower. But what's really interesting about this crash, about this recent drop, is that ever since we've crashed, we bounced up really, really fast and really high. So when that happens, that is a very good sign that a recovery, a big bounce, a bull run is about to happen. So let me go ahead and show you this information that I was talking about. So here we have Shiba Inu. The developers, they are unveiling a plan to enter the Metaverse, with their Shibaverse project. So there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there right now. Ethereum, we have Dogecoin. A lot of cryptocurrencies this year are having major updates, major overhauls to their blockchains, to their cryptos. And what this actually means is this brings huge catalysts. This brings investors, excitement for these investors, for these people that are interested, that are part of these communities. And this is a major event, a major catalyst for Shiba Inu, a whole metaverse for people that hold Shiba Inu, that can use Shiba Inu to enter into the metaverse. There's a whole bunch of information that's going to be relative to this that will be unveiled soon. But this is a huge catalyst that will bring more investors, that will bring more people to want to buy Shiba Inu, get more people excited about this. And I personally believe that this is going to be a catalyst potentially like a Dogecoin catalyst when Elon Musk was going on Saturday Night Live. This type of catalyst and these catalysts that we are seeing for these other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, there's some happening this year, there's some happening for Ethereum. These types of catalysts can bring crazy excitement, crazy pumps, and crazy hype into these projects. And when that type of hype, when that level of hype, when that level of excitement and anticipation happens for these projects, you can see crazy gains. Because if we take a look at some of these prices, if we take a look at Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, we can see that these prices are extremely undervalued, that they are super cheap compared to where they were and where they will most likely end up this year. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, XRP, so many of these cryptocurrencies are at crazy and massive discounts. And when these cryptos are at crazy massive discounts, that brings in a lot of people from the side trying to buy these cryptos. They are going to be buying these cryptos because they know, they believe in these projects, and they know where these projects are going to end up most likely. And that is very exciting, ladies and gentlemen, to see huge catalysts coming out. But we even have some more news, so more FUD of crypto regulations. So the Biden administration is preparing to release an executive action. Continue to watch because we have some very powerful information. But the Biden administration is preparing to release an executive action that will task federal agencies with regulating digital assets such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a matter of national security. This is very interesting. So we will have to see what will happen and what will become of this whole executive order. I personally don't think it's going to stop cryptos or affect them in a terribly negative way, but this will definitely cause some FUD. And this is going to be happening in February, which is literally days away, weeks away when this could potentially happen. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this will affect the crypto market because it's going to be covering NFTs, stablecoins, so many different things. Now, here is some very good and important information that I have been saving to the end because a lot of times in my videos, I save the best for the end. So watch this. So this chart right here, what it actually does, it talks about the Tether dominance, the USDT dominance. And whenever we see Tether or some of these stablecoins pop up to these high levels of dominance, what it actually ends up signaling is the bottom of a crypto market. So based on this chart, it's been very accurate that every time we hit this particular resistance level and these support levels, cryptocurrencies move in big ways according to these levels. And what we are seeing right now is a huge dominance in Tether and stablecoin because a lot of fear is out there. When people are fearful, what they do is they put their cryptos into stablecoins where they don't go up or down. These coins stay stable and they wait for the market to stabilize, and then they trade those cryptos for other cryptos that they want to invest in that are more volatile, of course, that can go up or down compared to stablecoins. So this chart right here, which has been very accurate for some time, is showing us that the Tether, the stablecoin dominance, is really nearing its peak. And when it nears its peak, it causes a huge bounce or a floor, as we are seeing in this chart in the crypto market. And that is what we are seeing right now. So it's more bullish signs. There's a whole bunch of bullish signs behind the scenes for these cryptos that are pointing towards a strong recovery here soon. And if we continue to look at the chart as I have been showing you, the crypto market is looking very bullish, at least in this tiny little immediate short-term trading range. And what is likely, as this chart is printing higher highs, higher lows, it's looking bullish. It's very likely that there may actually be a breakout here in the next several days. The next several days, maybe by Monday, Tuesday, we could see some crazy gains, maybe even over this weekend, maybe even over the next couple of days. So I'm getting super excited about this. Let me know if you guys agree with this in the comments below. Let me know if you are buying these dips, but I personally am excited and I am bullish. I am hopeful. I am optimistic that the market is about to recover and to make some very big moves. We have been through these crashes. We have been through these bear markets many times before, and we see this all the time. We see this crash. We see all the news out there, all the FUD out there trying to stop cryptos, trying to stop the stock market, trying to bring things down. but they only have a temporary effect, and cryptocurrencies continue to recover. Their bottoms continue to get higher and higher each and every single year, and that is a very good and healthy sign, as it has not stopped since they have been created. All the good projects that have been around for a long time that are still here, they continue to recover, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others as well. Let me know in the comments below the cryptocurrency that you think will make the biggest gains this year. It has to be in the top 20. Now, if you've gotten something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member. Go ahead and check out all my socials, all of my links in my video description, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.